Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start to draw the laptop stand assembly. So the first thing we'll do, you can see, okay, we'll create a new project called laptop stand. Okay, so the first thing that we should do is that we should save this drawing, what we'll call it, laptop stand. And you can see that it's defaulted here. So we want to save it into the right project, which is laptop stand. And you can see that. Save that. And you'll see now at the top of the browser it's changed here. And so we want to right click on there, remembering rule 1, we want a new component. And what I want to do is I'm looking at this drawing and I'm going to do the bottom base. It's called bottom stand. So on this, which they're calling the parts list, we'll use the same terminology. So bottom stand, I'm going to draw that first because that's the part I'm going to anchor or ground. Okay, so bottom stand. Bottom stand. Okay, and so we will create that sketch in a plane. It's a rectangle. We want to use that origin, and as you can see when you click it over to here, it's a maximum of 400 by 200. Okay, so let's go for those maximum values first. Press the tab, 200, and then press enter. That locks that in, and we'll finish the sketch. Remember how we can zoom to fit, and then we will extrude that. We'll extrude that 3 millimeters. Enter. Okay, so that's that part done. We can, of course, now we can give ourselves a bit more screen real estate by closing that little window or pane. So we've got that, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the top base. Okay, the top base. So we need to go to right click on there, new component, and we'll call it top base. Okay, you see this one grays out because it's not the active component, so that's fine. Same thing again, we will choose that plane and we'll draw this. Obviously we want to draw this not on top of the other one, so we'll draw it up here. We're going to move it later, and let's have a look to see what size that should be. That's 400 by 300. So 400, tab, 300, enter. Okay, that's drawn it over the top of that one. We'll finish the sketch, or what we could do, having said that, if we put minus 300, it won't let us do that. Okay, so we'll do 300, enter, and we'll finish the sketch. Then we'll extrude that the same. Yep, 3 millimeters. And so we can actually pick that up and move it now, which is what we want to do. Okay, so we've got those 2 parts there. The next thing we're going to draw is the arms. So we'll go back in and have a look for our arms. Here they are. We've got base support. So right click, new. What happened there? Okay. Something strange happened there. So we've got this component here, and if we click, you can see we can click. It's quite nice. We've had this happen. So we can name the component by clicking in here, and this was called base support. Okay. And once we've got base support, we can sketch, and we'll put it in this vertical plane here. We'll capture the position. It's telling us that we've moved apart, and that's fine. So we'll put the base, so it doesn't matter where we put it, but we'll put it here. And the base support has a diameter of 30. And we'll draw the other one, and we'll set up the length later. I'll show you how we do that. Here, and this one is 60. And then what we can do is we can set up a dimension between this center and this center here, and we can set that to, I'll just show you, we're going to set that to 360. Okay, so we type 360 in there, enter. I'll zoom to fit so we can see all of that. Now I want to draw a line. And I want to go from here to here. It should automatically click on for a tangent. Okay, so we can see that there. Now I can go to the trim, which is these scissors. You see the piece that goes purple is going to disappear. Okay, and we don't want to worry too much about that there. We can put in a couple more circles, one in there. We'll do that 4 millimeters for now. We'll do another one on there. Oh, sorry, circle. 4 millimeters. Enter. And then we'll finish the sketch. And then we've got a view cube. If we go to home, it will spin it around for us. We can use that. We'll show you a bit more of the view cube later, but you can see you can rotate things. That's important when we're assembling objects. We're going to just extrude that 3 millimeters. Okay. So I'll just stop the video there. That's nearly 10 minutes. So we'll continue with this in a moment. Thank you.